Hi, Ariani and her mom. Let me show you how to sign into Google. So what I've done is I've went ahead and signed out. Now I'm going to go to google.com, and notice here in the upper right corner there will be a sign in, and right next to it is a waffle. Well, if Ariana's mom is signed in to this, then her personalized sign in will be there. If that's the case, then Ariana's mom just needs to sign out, and then Ariana can sign in. Okay? So this is how you'd sign in. You would just click on the sign in, and then you would have to use another account. And then when you're going to have to put in your username and password, which is, well, my username would be rvarga@cvusd.us. Okay. And then you'd have to sign into the Microsoft also with the same username. Your username would be whatever it is. What is it? There's Ariani. Your username is a.baza@cvusd.us. And then you would have to put in your, so I could do that. I can put a.baza@cvusd.us. And then you have to put your password in there, which is going to be the 9 capital O, capital U, capital E, 01, FG, so on and so on and so on, okay? And then once you get signed in, what you'll see is there will be your personalized sign-in, and then this waffle. Now the waffle is where you access all of our district tools. You scroll all the way down. Here is our language arts, McGraw-Hill Connect Ed. Here is our math, Think Central. And here is our social studies, Pearson EasyBridge. Okay. Her language arts assessments are here. Her Think Central, her math assessments and lessons are here. And the lessons in social studies are here. Okay. I hope this helps. Please keep asking me questions as you have them.